So I've been out here a few minutes. It's pretty muddy, but what do you think of your new mod?
Oh mate, this is definitely my favourite.
Round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go. Sometimes I lose control. Like round and round we go.
G'day guys, Matty from FOURBIE Sessions Australia. I'm here with my good mate Blake. Yes, I have another Nissan Navara in my driveway. This thing is on 6-inch lift, 35s, and how are we going to make this even better? Going to fit an anytime diff lock. Now Perception Lighting have got these. They're a plug and play unit, and we're going to show you how to install it. So let's check it out. So the anytime diff lock, we're literally going to put it right beside the original diff lock, which will allow us to go in 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, or 4-wheel drive low. Yes, the diff lock now already works in 4-wheel drive low, but we're about to give it some added features. So let's check it out.
Like a merry-go, sometimes I lose control. Like whoa, round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go, sometimes I lose.
Literally unplug this, and then we'll put these two in. It's like works like a piggyback, and we're all good to go. So what we're going to do is plug it straight in, line it up. Oh, it helps when you put it the right way. It's not uncommon for me to do that. Feed that back through. Feed it back in. So literally put it up in there. Click. That's all sorted. Feed this back through into there. Make it all neat. Drop this back down in the back here. For the switch, so now we'll pull apart this dash and we'll chuck the switch in. So we're just going to pull apart the dash, so we've just got to pull these screws out just to get into this switch panel. So we'll just undo these. So what we're going to do is get this in behind, literally just flex up that panel there, and you'll hear it pop. Same with the other side. Get in on the back of it there. Little screwdriver is probably a bit more efficient, but there we go. So we keep the factory one in there. This is the aftermarket one. Slides straight in. Pop. Good to go. Make it back in here. It looks factory. Perfect. Alrighto. Let's give her a whirl. Orange factory diff lock. Plug and play, and coming up on the dash, it'll flash till it engages. Probably have to roll forward a little bit sometimes. There we go. Now all the other lights that come up, that's like your traction control off and things like that. The ESC does stay on even though it comes up saying it's off, but at least your traction control is fully off. Let's give it a whirl. Definitely works. So I've been out here a few minutes. It's pretty muddy, but what do you think of your new mod?
Oh mate, this is definitely my favourite.
Yeah, dead straight. How good does it work? Literally plug and play. 10 minutes earlier, we're back at my house, and now we're out here playing in the bush. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high. You can put the diff lock in at any time. God, it's proven a bit of fun. There we have it guys. Lights all off on the dash. They'll recalibrate themselves after driving for about 10-15 minutes or so. If they're on for any longer than that, just pull over, turn the car off, turn it back on, and they'll 100% reset. But normally they just go away. The further you drive, they'll just quickly turn off. There we have it guys. Simple 10-minute mod, plug and play, anytime diff lock. And as you can see, we're only in there for 10 minutes, but he was having a great time. Anyway guys, I'll bring you a new video the more I keep doing, and never know, might be doing more to the nav. Have a good one.